In this worksheet, we have a series of interest rates across the row and different payment option down the column. And this is a payment period, it is 16 months. So how can we produce a matrix of comparison table? So to compare each payment with its interest rate, let's first get a master formula. We can put a master formula here in B3. We'll use a payment function, the PMT function. So let's put the formula here is equal to PMT, and it requires 3 arguments. The first one is the rate, that is 3%. This is a yearly rate, so we'll divide it by 12, and comma, the number of period is 60 months. As the A1, let's select A1, and comma, and finally the amount of borrowing, that is 2,000 for this period. Close the press and enter. It's a negative result. Actually, this is expected. Just for the sake of viewing, let's change this to a positive one. Let's add this minus. So this is a monthly payment amount. Now let's create the data table based on this master formula. Let's highlight the sales in advance. We want to generate the matrix including the row and the column. So go to data and what if analysis and data table. We have now row input sales, it should be 3%, and the column input would be the 2000, that is B2. So click OK. Now we have a matrix of comparison tables. Just we can format these numbers to be more readable. Right click, format cell, and number. We don't want to show the penny, so we can even format even better. Let's change the color, and we can also center it if we need. We can select any color we want. So this is what we have generated, the matrix based on the master formula.